Good morning. Today we will prepare egg omelette. So here we have eggs, bread, kanda lasun masala, salt. Just minimal ingredients needed here. And we have oil. Okay. So we will have here induction one kadai. As we have not here, we are not having here pan here. So we are using kadai. So let's start now. First of all, we will take one egg. So we'll put it in garbage. Now we will take kanda lasun masala. We will put some kanda lasun masala. Now we will add some salt. So we have added some salt. Now we will stir this. Stir this very nicely properly. So all this is mixed. Still we will on this and heat the pan. We will put this at 1000. We are preparing this. So we are making it some spicy, as we like spicy food to it. So you can adjust that masala according to you. So let's take one oil now. Let's pour some oil. So now see. Now let it cook. Let's increase it. Now let's see here. We have now we will cook from another side. It's done now. We have done our. Don't cook much. We will, otherwise it will not give you taste. So we will now stop it. Now let's take this bread and cook this. We have taken this. Take this omelette on this. See. Now we'll take this bread. Put this bread here. We'll clean this by bread because all masala will stick to this. See. And once this is done, come here. Put this. So we have done this. Now let's cut this so we can eat it. So we are not having that good knife here. So this bread is scattered in there. So we have made this 4 pieces here. Right. So if you have a ketchup, you can eat this with ketchup. Do you have ketchup here? No. So now we are not having ketchup. You can add ketchup here and just serve it. And लम्ब न कर देखो यार.